Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be showing how you can install STM32CubeIDE for your STM32 development boards. So let's start. To install STM32CubeIDE in your Chrome browser, you type STM32CubeIDE. So you will direct it to this website, that is st.com. Here you can click Get Software. So once you click Get Software, here you can choose your operating system. So in my case I'm using Windows, so I'm choosing STM32CubeIDE for Windows. Click Get Latest, click Accept. Here you can fill the details, so I'll fill my details. So if you have not registered, you can click Login or Register and you can fill the details. So once you have filled your details, it will show your registration has been successfully submitted. So you have to check your email. So once you logged into your Gmail account, you can click Download Now. So it will go to your download page and it will start downloading your STM32CubeIDE. Let us wait for it to download, and after that we'll start installing STM32CubeIDE for our STM32 program. Once software is downloaded, double click on the downloaded software. So click on S. So it will start installing the software. Click Next. I agree. So you can change the destination folder. Click Next. Install. So it will take some time to install. Click Install. Once the installation is complete, you can click Next. So you can check or uncheck if you want to create a desktop shortcut. Then click Finish. So it will successfully install STM32CubeIDE in your Windows system. Now to verify that, you can see here it is successfully installed STM32CubeIDE. Thank you.